In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for a PDF, using a simple manual method that anyone can follow. We'll start right from the very beginning, so you don't need any prior experience. First, open your web browser on your computer, tablet, or phone. In the search bar at the top, type in the phrase, "How to create QR code for PDF." Simple manual to make QR code with PDF inside. Then press Enter or tap the search icon to run the search. Once the search results load, you'll see a list of links from different websites. At the very top, you'll usually find what are called sponsored results. These are advertisements, but in this case, they're often legitimate QR code generator tools that match exactly what we're looking for. Look carefully for a sponsored result that clearly mentions creating a QR code for a PDF or something similar, like uploading a file and generating a QR. Click or tap on one of those sponsored results to open the QR code generator page. The layout will differ slightly depending on the service, but the basic idea is the same. You should see an option to upload a file or specifically upload a PDF. If there are multiple options, such as website, text, or PDF, make sure you choose the one that refers to a PDF or file. Next, locate the Upload button, which is often labeled Upload PDF. Choose File, or something similar. Click that button, then browse your device for the PDF you want to turn into a QR code. Select your PDF and confirm the upload. Give the website a moment to process the file. Larger PDFs may take a bit longer. Once the file is uploaded, many generators will show a preview or some basic settings. You might be able to adjust things like the color of the QR code or add a small logo. These customization options are optional, so if you're just getting started, you can leave everything as the default settings. The important part is that the correct PDF is selected. Now look for the button that says Generate, Create QR Code, or similar, and click it. The site will create a unique QR code that links directly to your PDF. When the QR appears, you'll usually have options to download it as an image, such as PNG or JPG. Download the QR code to your device and save it somewhere you can easily find later. From here, you can insert that QR image into documents, posters, slides, or print materials. Anyone who scans it with their phone's camera or a QR scanning app will be taken straight to your PDF, making it quick and convenient to share your content.